Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC settings. And in today's video, I will show you on how to enable on-screen keyboard on your Windows PC, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you look for your start menu right here. Right click on it, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on settings. The next thing you want to do right here is to come to accessibility right here. Go ahead and click on accessibility. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to keyboard. Go ahead and click on keyboard. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do from this point here, you have to make sure you look for on-screen. Scroll down right here. You have on-screen keyboard. What you need to do right here is to go ahead and turn on this particular button. In a few seconds, you have your on-screen keyboard turn on, just like what you see right here. So whatever you want to use with on-screen keyboard, you can start simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on about Windows PC settings like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.